If T-Rex lived in the forests of Australia, a hypothetical exploration, the Tyrannosaurus Rex, one of history's most fearsome predators, dominated the late Cretaceous period with its massive size, bone-crushing bite, and apex hunting skills. But what if this prehistoric giant found itself in the unique and diverse forests of modern-day Australia? Australia, known for its eucalyptus forests, rainforests, and unique wildlife, would present both opportunities and challenges for the T-Rex. Let's dive deep into this imaginative scenario, exploring how the king of dinosaurs would adapt, survive, and interact with the distinctive ecosystem of Australia. 1. The Australian forest environment. Australia is home to a variety of forest ecosystems, each offering unique challenges and opportunities for a massive predator like the T-Rex. Key forest types. Eucalyptus forests, dominated by tall gum trees and known for their dry, open structure. Kangaroos, koalas, and birds like cockatoos inhabit these areas. Rainforests, dense and humid, with thick vegetation and a rich diversity of species, including cassowaries, tree kangaroos, and reptiles. Savanna woodlands, a mix of open grasslands and scattered trees, home to emus, dingoes, and wallabies. 2. Physical adaptations for survival. To thrive in Australia's forests, the T-Rex would need to adapt its physiology and behaviors to suit the environment. Size and movement. Challenge. The dense vegetation of rainforests and eucalyptus forests could restrict the movement of a creature as large as T-Rex, which could reach 40 feet, 12 meters, in length. Adaptation. T-Rex might prefer open savanna woodlands and forest edges where its size is less of a hindrance. In dense forests, it would need to use its powerful legs and tail to navigate tight spaces. Camouflage. Challenge. T-Rex's traditional coloration may not blend well with Australia's greenery and red soils. Adaptation. Over generations, T-Rex might develop a more muted, earth-tone coloration, blending with the eucalyptus leaves, tree bark, and reddish dirt of the Australian outback. Heat management. Challenge. Australia's warm climate could be taxing for a large-bodied animal like T-Rex. Adaptation. T-Rex could develop behavioral adaptations, such as being active during cooler parts of the day and resting in the shade of large trees during peak heat. Its metabolism, likely warm-blooded, would help it regulate its body temperature efficiently. 3. Hunting strategies in Australian forests. The T-Rex was a master predator, capable of taking down massive prey in its original environment. In Australia, it would face a different array of prey, requiring new strategies. Prey selection. Australia's fauna would offer a variety of potential meals. Large prey. Kangaroos, particularly large red kangaroos found in savanna areas. Emus, flightless birds that would provide a challenging but rewarding hunt. Feral camels, introduced species that could become a primary food source. Smaller prey, wallabies, wombats, and cassowaries could be opportunistic targets. Dingoes, reptiles, and smaller mammals might be scavenged if larger prey were unavailable. Hunting techniques. Ambush predator. T-Rex could use the cover of trees and dense vegetation to stalk prey, striking with explosive power once close enough. Speed and power. In more open woodlands, it could rely on short bursts of speed to chase down kangaroos or emus. Strategic waterhole hunting. Like modern crocodiles, T-Rex might wait near water sources, ambushing thirsty animals. Scavenging opportunities. T-Rex was likely a facultative scavenger, meaning it would take advantage of carcasses when available. In the forests of Australia, it could scavenge from feral camel carcasses, livestock, or even prey left by dingoes or other predators. 4. Interactions with Australian wildlife. Introducing a T-Rex to Australia's forests would profoundly impact its native species, disrupting the ecosystem's balance. Predatory competition. Dingoes, these wild dogs, currently Australia's apex predators, would be no match for T-Rex. They might adapt by scavenging from the dinosaurs' kills or focusing on smaller prey. Saltwater crocodiles. In northern rainforests and wetlands, saltwater crocodiles could occasionally come into conflict with T. rex, especially near waterholes. Cassowaries. These large, aggressive birds might avoid direct conflict but could still be preyed upon by smaller T. rex individuals. Impact on herbivores. Large herbivores like kangaroos, camels, and feral livestock would face significant predation pressure. Their populations might decline or shift to more remote areas to avoid T. rex territories. 5. The T. rex's role in the ecosystem. Apex predator. As the undisputed apex predator, T. rex would regulate herbivore populations, preventing overgrazing and indirectly benefiting plant growth and biodiversity. Fear landscape. The presence of a T. rex would create a fear landscape, altering the behavior of prey species. Kangaroos and emus might avoid certain areas, leading to changes in grazing and vegetation patterns. Scavenger benefits. Smaller predators like dingoes, monitor lizards, and scavengers like wedge-tailed eagles would benefit from the leftovers of T. rex kills. 6. Challenges for T. rex in Australia. Despite its strengths, T. rex would face significant challenges in Australia's forests. Human conflict. Humans and livestock would likely become targets, leading to dangerous interactions and attempts to control or eliminate the T. rex. Fire-prone ecosystem. Australia's frequent wildfires could pose a threat to T. rex, especially in eucalyptus forests where fires spread rapidly. Limited prey in some areas. During droughts or dry seasons, prey availability might become scarce, forcing the T. rex to scavenge more often. 7. Could T. rex thrive in Australia? Given its size, strength, and adaptability, T. rex would likely thrive in Australia's forests, especially in open woodlands and savannas where its hunting skills could shine. Its ability to dominate the food chain would make it a powerful force in the ecosystem, but its long-term survival would depend on avoiding human conflict and adapting to Australia's unique challenges. Conclusion: a prehistoric predator in modern Australia. If T. rex roamed the forests of Australia, it would become a dominant force, reshaping the balance of life in this unique environment. From hunting kangaroos and camels to clashing with crocodiles and dingoes, T. rex's presence would create new dynamics in the ecosystem, while the challenges of fire, climate, and human interactions would test its resilience. The king of dinosaurs would likely adapt, proving its unparalleled ability to rule any environment, even the wilds of Australia. Thank you for exploring this incredible scenario with Wild Diary Florence. If you enjoyed imagining the T. rex dominating Australia's forests, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you think T. rex's biggest challenge would be in this environment. Stay tuned for more epic wildlife and dinosaur explorations.